So we're in. We don't stab him, but we just stab him or we yank them with our pistol. It's made out of ceramic, so it's like hard as my cock, right? You understand?
Oh my god, stop, please. Holy
No.
shit. Oh my god, I'm dying.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, holy shit.
My head
Oh.
hit the
Ah, I broke my neck.
Hey, my boy Charlie, what's poppin', boy?
Oh, he got
Double
double
high
penetrated.
five.
Holy shit.
Give me a second,
Yeah, take your time.
Why is your beard
Oh,
red?
fuck, the camera.
Is
Chill,
your
chill.
beard red?
I'm a redhead, I guess.
I am opening the door, but
You're
It's a
a
sexy
woman.
beard.
Oh,
I just noticed.
you asked me why my beard is red. Why is your hair fucking cyan?
What color is that?
It's-
Sexy? What the
That's
fuck?
not even cyan. That's
cyan.
like
Yeah.
like-
It's like light
oxidized copper. What the fuck is
blue.
that shit?
It's
Yeah.
light blue.
Holy shit!
no,
Shout
but
out to my barber, man.
That's what I was thinking as well.
Shout out to my barber, dog.
That's so
Shout out to my
fucking
barber,
stupid.
dog.
Oh my god.
Okay, so then we're doing
Hey,
Andy. Who's Andy?
Oh, like Austin, you know.
What's up,
Texas
Andy?
name.
Austin.
Double
Hey, Austin.
family.
Austin.
Austin.
Ooh, nice.
Hey Austin, dap me up.
Holy
Okay,
shit.
this one's gonna be Billy, not Charlie anymore. You be
This one is Belly. Next one is Charlie.
Billy, not
Next
Billy.
one's what's David? Douglas?
No.
Douglas,
no.
yeah, I feel
Douglas.
Douglas. Yeah, like,
This is good, right?
Bro, Billy, is that you? Long time no see. Dap me up.
My boy.
He even put on a new shirt. God damn.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
wait.
What a special occasion.
Yeah.
Damn, what a
It's
nice
red,
word,
so
man.
you can't see the blood on it.
Who's the first guy? Austin.
Austin, then
Austin, Billy,
Charlie,
Charlie,
Douglas.
Douglas.
Who's Douglas? Who's Douglas though?
I'm kidding.
We'll find him. Don't worry.
Yeah, we'll find it. Don't worry. There's plenty to go around.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again. It's okay. It's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, this one like is close.
Okay, I can move fast now. Yeah, I know one.
Yeah,
I know
we
one.
know how to kill Charlie and Douglas, so that's good. Let's not kill Austin this time.
Are you eating your bottle now? Like, what the fuck is going on?
What the fuck? No. It's just a weird thing that my mic does all the time.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. What the fuck?
Holy shit,
Yeah,
what the hell?
Ah.
Just get your ceramic pistol.
Yeah, man. Ceramic him. Don't bet.
Just throw a plate at him.
Okay, fell out of stairs. Yes, I did. And that is
Just a bunch of
Another one.
retards
and-
storming the casino. with guns
Actually,
made
I'm
of.
gonna
This is a
Stab him.
fucking robbery. Everybody get on the ground.
slap this motherfucker.
This is a stabbing. Get on the ground. I mean robbery.
Yeah.
Does my microphone still do that thing?
Yeah,
The
It
bottle?
did just now, yeah.
It's just
What
your
is
bottle, man. Yeah, it's not the microphone.
Is it
no
the
way.
tape? Did you
No,
tape
no,
it to your chin or something?
It's just a random plastic thing. It's not a thing that my microphone does.
Oh
No.
yeah, of course. Of course, man. Totally normal. Nothing.
Your daily dose of microplastics.
Yeah.
Well, macroplastics, I guess.
Oh yeah,
Let's
I
see
think
where
it
do
leads us
they
to like.
lead?
Oh! Holy shit! Ah! Oh my god, no!
didn't
Holy
die.
shit!
I didn't die.
It was a long road.
Oh, that's interesting.
It just leads us there, man.
Oh,
Well,
okay, that's kind of
Where does it-
useless.
Elevators suck. The
What
fuck you
is
doing?
going on?
Yeah.
This man is just deep
Doing
throating
some
his
naughty
fucking...
stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Bro, is that door actually open?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Okay.
blue ones you can open. The red ones.
Yeah, yeah. I thought that
Can't.
door was red. Okay, Shopski, they found a shortcut for you.
I can't
Yeah, but-
stroke.
I forgot to speak. I forgot to.
You
Why am I
forgot how to
stroking?
spoken.
Nothing like a good shot of cocaine.
Yeah. Cocaine's one hell of a drug.
Yeah.
It's not cocaine. I'm just blowing my nose.
No.
With cocaine.
Yeah.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
What you doing there?
Dying.
Dying. Guys, I have a feeling we're not gonna get the elite, you know?
But of course we're
Just
not.
a
doing
What
feeling.
makes you think that?
Yeah.
Guys, I think we can't get past that part. You know what I'm talking about? That
The
part.
fucking beginning?
Plastic again.
Just keep casually eating his bottle.
Yeah.
No, it's in
let's-
this plastic thing. It used to be my batteries that are now in my
Stomach.
mouse. No, it's in my mouse.
In your mouth, you mean?
Wait, the plastic wants to say something. I agree with him.
Yeah, me too. Makes sense.
Me find some casual people to play casino heist with, ending up, I don't know, let's say that
5
we
hours
also just
later.
Yeah.
we giving names to NPCs.
I think this is the early stages of Stockholm syndrome.
Go to the laundry room, kill that guy walking.
Yeah, let's try.
Wait.
Stop eating
I wanna-
plastic.
Oh.
Come on, let's try the laundry room out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
What? I haven't heard it. I
You're
haven't
not even
heard.
with us. Doesn't matter.
He's just looking at the piece of plastic,
Yeah.
drooling.
Yeah.
I'm laughing for no reason.
Come on. Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's take the disguises and leave.
Oh yeah.
With
Okay,
these $0.
That's not a very welcome.
Okay, so I think I messed it up.
Maybe.
I thought that killer is gonna be like, oh, you think? Cause he's the one that.
Yeah, what makes you think that?
He just says it's perfect. She said perfect. Bro's
What?
jaywalking.
shit.
What the heck?
Holy
Jaywalking.
shit!
Hey, wanna
That's
hear
the
some
sound of a thick
ASMR
bottle.
No,
with
no,
a thick
no,
bottle?
no,
No.
no.
Okay, I'm done.
I think
Just
we've
kill
had
Billy,
enough.
please.
Never
I'm
mind.
stuck.
He's just
never
fucking around.
Shabatsky will do it. You guys suck. Just keep moving. Don't stop for anyone.
Wait.
Holy shit.
Wait. Yeah. The guard.
Does
Yeah, they
it
got spotted. Yeah.
Hold
doesn't
up.
see me here?
Yeah. I guess. we
Bro,
just
I
have to-
thought you guys got in.
Wait,
just
but
have
the
to go
laundry
one by
room.
one.
The laundry thing.
The fuck is the laundry room?
Let's go through security room, and somebody needs to get this moving guy. Okay.
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 Wait,
Me,
so no
'cause-
laundry.
Yeah, no laundry.
Oh, okay.
Now I was getting prepared for the laundry. Thank
Yeah,
God that you
he's
mentioned
he's
it.
gonna run into the laundry and die. I can already see it. I can smell it.
Oh, it's Chomsky.
Oh,
Casual
I can
walk-in.
push you.
Oh, you
Oh
do
my
a
God.
casual walk-in when this motherfucker called Bounty
Nothing to see here.
Hunter Hunter just normally pushes you. Do you think I forget about you, random NPC that I call you Billy? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in. Okay,
Yeah,
guys, so I
he's
think,
already on the vault.
guys, I think we're inside of the casino.
Yeah, he's on a whole new level.
I'm waiting for Kill to say, how did you know?
It has been 102 minutes.
Only.
Honestly, Cyrus.
Why did the thing I chewed of plastic just taste like it smells like cheese now?
What did
How
you do
long
with
have
it?
you been chewing on that thing?
The entire heist. Laundry, okay. Still smells like cheese.
Yes. Can't forget the cheese. Which kind of cheese, by the way?
American.
No, I don't know. I think actually.
It probably is American cheese, to be honest. Yuck! I'm gonna vomit, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, he's
Can you give
coming.
me some cheese, man?
This is
Yeah.
this is Dustin or wait Douglas. What was his name? Douglas?
Douglas.
Alright, so far
Okay,
so
nice,
good.
Come, man. I mean, come here, not come.
Let's go.
5 cheese,
I need
bro.
some cheese,
Slowly.
man.
Slowly, slowly.
Okay,
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 watch out
okay,
the
okay.
camera.
Slow.
Okay.
Okay.
Slow and steady.
Wait,
Oh, God.
wait, wait, wait.
How did he
Wait.
not see us?
Alright, alright.
Okay,
right.
okay, go. Go,
Fuck.
go, go.
Steady, go,
Holy
go, go.
shit.
No!
Yeah.
Stuck!
Holy-
Door stuck!
No, it's
No.
good, it's good.
He did it.
Go,
Alright, go, go, go,
Champagne.
go, go. Champagne.
go. Yes!
Okay, nice.
We actually
Yes!
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we got plenty. Oh my god, I was about to take this.
Okay, so. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh
No,
shit! Just
not
crash
that,
into
not
the
that.
car! Okay, we're just gonna ask you guys. How
It
much
took
is
2 hours. Well,
Okay.
see you tomorrow, maybe.
See ya.
God damn.